From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat is on. 101 degrees today. We got more 100-degree days ahead, and we have broken the record for consecutive days of 90-plus. That started June 7th. 45 of those 59 days, about 85% have been 95 or better. We've had 7 100-degree days, 5 in a row now. 7 in a row is the record, and we're going to beat that record as well. And probably most 100-degree days, most days over 95 degrees this summer, it's all going down. So let's get over to the weather wall and we'll talk about that heat. And again, 2023 going down as the hottest summer on record already. Even if August were going to be near normal, it'd be in the books, but the first half of August is going to be in this same realm. So we're going to tack on at least 10, 15 more days of 90-plus degree heat, if not more. I don't see a big change in the pattern quite yet. High pressure aloft still dominating, and sinking air means it's what we call the death ridge of high pressure. When it's right nearby, pretty much squelches or eliminates any shower activity. We had one over southeast Louisiana. That's been about it. And the rest of the country, a little busy east of the Rockies, not unusual. Some showers along the east coast, but we're high and dry. Surface high pressure now, it looks like it's shifted over toward Florida, but look at the pressure gradient here. You see how the lines are almost going from west to east? That means a west-southwest wind for us, and that means hot temperatures. We got a south wind today right around 4:30 this afternoon. That brought us down from 100 degrees to about 97. It should come in about the same time tomorrow. Not much to offer up on Power Doppler 3 or the regional Doppler radars for that matter. All is quiet. And again, the heat warning now, back to an excessive heat warning for the I-10 corridor from Acadia Parish on eastward, northern Vermilion Parish, south and west. It's just a heat advisory. Nonetheless, high heat indices. It's just going to be continued to be outrageous with respect to the heat. So far this summer, you can see those heat advisories and excessive heat warnings go all the way up to the north into the center part of the country. So let's look for the tropics. Maybe a tropical wave coming anytime soon. The answer there is no. It's quiet in the Gulf, quiet in the Caribbean. We like it that way overall. Nothing going on in the Atlantic. Bermuda Ridge of high pressure displaced a little bit to the north now. So we'll see if that permits any of these tropical waves to get going. Got a couple of nice looking waves here. Good disturbance farther to the west. Sometimes we all look all the way over to the Indian Ocean for tropical waves and where they initiate and how they're going to manifest. This one looks good right now. Hurricane Center is not talking about it because it looks like it's going to run into a high shear environment and fall apart, but there is a mid-level circulation right here and another good looking wave coming off the coast. And if we track these waves, you're thinking, well, most of the times they make it toward the Caribbean or the Gulf of Mexico, but we're going to have an upper trough along the east coast. High pressure is still dominating here. So where does the moisture go? It goes east of our region and may give Florida better rain chances than the east coast, but not here. We're looking at best 20 to 30% as we head into next week. So 79, 80 the low tonight. Tomorrow back up to 101, perhaps 102. Storms riding around that ridge to the north of us. And then as we head into tomorrow night, back down to near 80. And we get into Saturday, not much change. And look, mostly sunny skies, a west-southwest wind, and then right around 4:30 you get that southerly wind, and that brings you down to about 96 or 97 or 98. So not much relief and not much promise in the future. 100 to 102, up to 103 in Leesville tomorrow, and across the I-10 corridor right around 100 degrees, give or take a degree, and then upper 90s to 100 down across the coastal areas. And again, the heat index here, the latest numbers, that heat index is going to max out between 113 up to 118 for 10-15 minute spurts. So again, if you're working outdoors, got a feel for you this summer. It's been the worst summer to work outdoors no matter what you do. 79 the low tonight, almost a full moon out there, but not quite, and it's rising later and later. And then for tomorrow, a record high temperature likely. 99 is the record for tomorrow, so that looks to be a slam dunk. 101 is our projected high. And here we go, 10-day 7-day forecast, and when we left you, we had at 6 o'clock 7 days of 100-degree heat. Jim said there was going to be more or less. What
Jim
you
and I
guys
said
go?
more.
I said more.
Seth fewer.
Said fewer, yeah.
And I said
we
the
win.
same, but it's more.
We
it's
win.
8
One
now.
more.
Yeah.
You
That
guys,
Tuesday was
you guys
99
win.
at
Sports
6
and
o'clock.
weather department loses 100 degrees through next week. Maybe a few afternoon showers, but not offering much. You win my affection. How's that?
We already had that. We've been together a long time.
Sure have.